Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City window replacement installation? Well, you're in the right place. Choosing affordable replacement windows is crucial for enhancing your home while saving energy. Many homeowners make costly mistakes when selecting new windows. Let's explore the most common pitfalls to help you avoid them. The first mistake is overlooking crucial details while shopping for windows. Ensure you research materials and consult experts for the best outcomes. Focusing on what makes window replacement in Salt Lake City unique can save you time and money. Knowing your local climate influences your choices significantly. Let's start with a big question. What's the average cost of replacement windows in Salt Lake City? Understanding this helps you budget effectively. Another question often asked is about financing options for replacement windows. Knowing your choices can make the process smoother. Last but not least, how long does the installation typically take? Being informed on timelines helps you plan your home improvements better. Ready for your window transformation? For a free quote, call us now at 385-300-0903 or visit windowsforhomes.com/home windows.